I came through this on a different way, through this mall, through SeaWorld, but there's also like two sides, I guess. The Skyway also goes to Central, which is right there, I guess. And but actually what we're going to be doing is following the Skyway all the way to another place, which is Chitlom. So it actually connects two stations, which I didn't realize that that the Skyway in this area was so elaborate. I knew there was... Let's go check out the road. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. So just gonna film outside. This is outside of this is Siam area. So we're just gonna walk around Siam area a little bit and just kind of see what we can see, and just show you some of these tuk-tuks that are hanging out. And we were just up in here at Central World, and I was filmed like the Christmas part and also the antique part. But now I just want to walk into the streets and just kind of see what we can see around in here. And it's nighttime, but I think that it's a pretty good chance to be able to walk around, because it's it seems like the camera is able to capture stuff pretty well. So you can see the old style buses. And I'm just gonna walk a little bit and just kind of see what else we can see and keep the camera going. I'm in Siam, which is kind of the center part of Thailand. And we're just gonna walk. This is more or less where we'll come off for the buses and things like that. And you can see these kind of walkway system everywhere. And I think a lot of Siam is hooked up, connected by those, but the amount of people that are going up and down the elevators is pretty high. So it's kind of interesting. Request for help from the police, push for life. So if you're in any kind of danger, you can just push that button. Somebody will come and help. It's kind of thoughtful. So actually there's quite a few people up in the Skyway system. So I'm kind of debating if I want to go up there or not. I probably should. See, I'll show you where we're at a little bit. So okay, Chitlom Market, Indra Region Hotel. Okay. So I think what we're gonna do is we're just gonna follow the escalator up, and I'll have a better sense of where everything is at. Big C, it's 1829, and it's I think they had the temperature up there too. I think it was 29 degrees, I think. We'll show it in a second. 39, it says 39 degrees Celsius, so I don't know if that's accurate time or not, accurate degrees, but could be. Just don't know. Tempo. So this is to the Big C, and I just want to keep walking straight because I think this Skyway goes all the way down, and that goes to another shopping mall. So we got Central World, Big C, and there's a market right there, and this one basically goes over these busy, crazy streets, which I will show you right now. And actually Siam has some pretty cool stuff. It's pretty centrally located everywhere. So dragon, seafood and shark fin, looks like a Chinese one. Market. And I think what I'm gonna do is I'll probably include in this space in a minute. But maybe it's interesting because like if you're also like a people watching person, there's a lot of interesting people. So if I put it this way, you can see them kind of come across and just how many tourists and very different nationalities visit Bangkok. And you can also see these traffic jams, which is pretty crazy. Look at that. Okay. Maybe we'll conclude here. Okay, so we're gonna do another one on the Skyways. This one you can see the traffic, and this is a Siam area. So we're just gonna take a look at all the stuff you can see. Traffic, Big C Super Center, Central World. So we're gonna Indra region, Palladium. So there's quite a few iconic shopping destinations in this location. And a lot of Christmas music and a lot of people. So okay, this is called the Racha Prasang District. Hub for culture, shopping, dining, entertainment, and lifestyle activities, supermarkets, all kinds of stuff. So you can read that. You can pause and read it if you'd like. And we're gonna follow the Skyways for a little bit, and basically I'm gonna be walking to the BTS, and just kind of showing some of the Christmas spirit and all the walkways in this area. So yeah, I was just in Central, so some of the last videos, there's an antique shop down there, so I have one video all about the antiques, which is all these classic cool cars and stuff like that. There's also all these Christmas ones, so people are taking lots of pictures, posing around, so I tried to capture some of that. And then I walked through a little bit, just captured the scene of what's going on in the street level. Then I end up in the Skyways, and there's one video that connects two of them. This particular one, I'm just going to be walking down the Skyways all the way to the end, and I'll just capture whatever I can see along the way. And I'm kind of hoping to do a little bit of people watching through it. We can also watch all the cool scenery and buildings as well. So this is called the Racha Prasang Walk. And I think one direction is a north walk, and then I think this one is east walk or south walk. I think it had a different thing besides north and south. But I'm basically going, I'm not sure which direction I'm going in. I think it might say it right here. Yeah, okay. North walk, east walk. So I'm walking towards the east walk. So 5-minute walk, there's a Chinese shrine, Platinum, Novotel, markets. You are here, okay? So I'm basically walking the east walk, and we're gonna walk towards Gasorn Village, Hyatt, all the way down to Chitlom Station. So that's basically where I'm gonna be walking. And it says 7 minutes. So that's gonna be a 7-minute walk to the Chitlom Station. So I'll take the camera with me and see what we can capture. That's the antique shop. The other video has all the antiques. So let's see what else is around here on this side. Quero mas, Mexican and tapas bar. Quero means I want, and mas means more. I want more. I want more Mexican and tapas bar. Cool. So let's just see how this is going to work. I think we have to go down to the ground floor. Either that, or I'm going to try to see if I can keep walking all the way down here. This east walk might be, it might include these streets right here, or it might include going through these buildings. We'll find out. We'll follow the crowds and see if east walk. Oh. Well, there's a sign right there. It says Riverwalk East. Then it points the arrow and it goes up. So this east walk, there's north walk right there, and that goes all the way that way, and then east walk is going to go this way. So we're going to follow that and just see where to go. Looks like it goes through the shopping mall, which has a nice air conditioning feel to it. So let's take a look and see. Okay, you know what? I think I've been in this area before. Didn't realize it went to Chitlom station in a 7-minute walk though. So we'll just keep the camera on and just follow this east walk, and I'll just go until it's at almost 5 minutes right now, so I'll just walk for a couple more minutes. I don't want to go more than 7 or 8 minutes in one video, so. So we'll just follow the sign, east walk, and I think that I will turn this off and then we'll just conclude it. So yeah, I guess the east walk goes towards Chitlom station, and it starts out as the Skyways, and then it goes into the shopping mall, and we're just going to continue all the way through and see where it goes. And I'll turn it on when I get to something else that varies quite a bit, and probably create a new video with it. So hope you enjoyed this little segment of Walk Bangkok. Merry Christmas. And before we conclude this is actually how big this mall is. A lot of pretty large malls, and this is no exception. Another big mall. Okay, so we're gonna keep walking on this arse walk and conclude this video for... Ooh, wait. We might be going out. I'll probably conclude it anyways, no matter what. We'll just see if it goes to a skyway. Looks like it goes back down. So I think we're going to be either on the street or a walkway, so I guess we'll just see, so that people in the camera know. So it looks like it's going to connect buildings, and then I guess it's going to navigate all the way to Chitlom, but we'll confirm that shortly. Oh great, okay. So yeah, we're going to be connecting into the Skyways. So, okay. There we go. So we're just going to keep walking these Skyways until who knows where, so we'll conclude this video for here. Okay, so this video we're in something called the Rajprasong district, and there's some walks and they go between the two stations. So this one says Siam, BTS Siam station, and this one says Central World. So if you watched some of the last videos, I just went, I came through this on a different way, through this mall, through SeaWorld, but there's also like two sides. I guess the Skyway also goes to Central, which is right there, I guess. And but actually what we're going to be doing is following the Skyway all the way to another place, which is Chitlom. So it actually connects two stations, which I didn't realize that that the Skyway in this area was so elaborate. I knew there was some Skyways in Siam, but I didn't realize I went all the way to Chitlom. So all of this goes to different buildings. So this one goes to one building, some of those other, that goes to another building, that one goes all the way straight down to Central Festival, and then you can keep walking around that one even further. This says Rajprasong Kingdom of Light. So I guess it's yeah, there's actually a lot of light. Actually it's already evening time, but there's so much activity that. So we're just going to keep following this to Chitlom, and let's see what we can see. Street down below. But this street over here has more of the light show stuff. So this one's called Amarin. Best street food of Bangkok. Dang, they got like so much good stuff in this city. Amazing. So we're gonna walk this all the way to Chitlom and just see what we see. Yeah, actually, let's just kind of go over here for a second. So there's a nice hotel right here. Beer Republic. Lots of Christmas lights. Intercontinental Hotel. So let's just see if we can join. we're gonna check out this side over here. Nice temple. And then right here has Clover Pharmacy and Souvenirs, so I can see some kind of souvenir cool stuff here. Okay, the Indra Shrine. So that right there is called the Indra Shrine, I guess. And it talks a little bit about it. If you wanted to try to read it, you can stop it and pause it. Somebody who's lighting some incense right now. So okay, we're gonna keep on viewing. So yeah, this one's kind of cool, this little guy right there in the window. We probably present Thai products. So, okay. So I think we're getting close to Chitlom as well. Chitlom BTS station. So, okay. Chitlom it says, so there's so this is actually where I'm walking. I'm walking to the Rajprasang district and we're going to the Chitlom BTS. And we'll just see if we can see what we can see. Okay. So this one goes to one center. So there's lots of different ways you can jump out and into other spaces too. Okay, here's Chitlom right here. So yeah, we literally walked all the way to the station, between Siam station and Chitlom station. So we did pretty well. So what I'm going to be doing is going back to the hotel that I checked out today, and we're going to be concluding it for Bangkok for now. And I'll have some other videos coming up from a different part of Thailand, so you can look forward to that. And here we are in Chitlom station, so I'm going to be standing in line shortly, getting some stuff together, and then I'm going to be going to Asok. And what we're going to be doing right now is standing in line. So, yep, here we are in Chitlom, so we'll end this video.